I have the hiccups. You know how to get rid of the hiccups? You know the method? You have to hold your breath for 30 seconds. Ready?